In this video, I'm going to show you how to change tempo in Cakewalk. Now, there's actually three ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them. The first one is going to be to open your project, then you want to go to the top over here, and you'll find tempo over here, okay? So the first thing you can do is just click in here, and you can set a new tempo. So I'm going to go from 120, for example, to 160, press enter, and that's going to change my tempo. The second thing you can do is go to project over here in the top left, or of course on the top, and then you want to click on insert tempo change. When you do this, you can go and type in a new tempo, or you could also go and click here to start tapping your tempo. So just tap in tempo and it's going to change the tempo to whatever you tapped. Then click on OK, and that's also going to change it. And then the third way to do this is to go to views up top, and then you want to click on tempo or press Alt plus Shift plus 5, and that's going to basically enable this tempo track up top, where you can go and tap your tempo, or you could just go and type it in manually, press enter, and you are good to go. So that's how to change tempo in Cakewalk. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.